After how many clicks or how much spend do you move a keyword into negative? Really, it comes down to what are the ways how we are structuring optimization. Is if you have already 10 clicks supposed to bring you a 10% conversion. If you have already 10 clicks and it's not converting, we are going to lower the bids. And really important, make the difference between just getting clicks and negative keywords. Negative keywords, if it's something that is totally irrelevant for our product and we're seeing it in the search term, it's going to become a negative with one click. Reason for that, if it's not your product and if it's not something that you should be advertising, it is an irrelevant search term that is coming up, and you should not be paying Amazon to show you for something that your product is not. If it's irrelevant, it's clearly a negative. Doesn't matter how many clicks or how much spend it has. But if it is relevant, what you would be doing is make sure that, is this a keyword that is just expensive for you? So what can happen is that you have more expensive keywords that you would have to pay for in order to rank organically, but you're seeing right now only Amazon ads related data. You're not seeing the whole picture. If you see that you're ranking organically and getting more sales for that keyword, and the easiest way to see it, either you would track it with a third-party software, either you would just type in that keyword in incognito and see that beforehand you were position 50, now you are position 3 on Amazon, which clearly means that your ads are working and you should be targeting those keywords, because even if they might be just a bit more expensive on the ad sides, generally it's going to bring you more sales. Those keywords are still worthwhile for you. We are not AI. We are human beings thinking strategically. That's why we have judgment. Being a strategist, not just a follower. I know exactly what you're asking, and the reason why I'm not giving you a hard answer on if this do that, if this do that, is because that way you are going to learn to just follow instructions. So I'm just trying to teach you the way what was never taught to me.